Hey there, crypto fam. I'm Chris from Exodus, and we're going to strap on the rocket boosters and break down DigiByte into bite-sized pieces. The DigiByte ecosystem is built around two pillars of security and speed, which are both considered by DigiByte fans as limitations of similar blockchains that are either not secure or not able to scale to meet the current and future demands of its users. DigiByte was launched in 2014 by the creator and founder Jared Tate, who, after working on the Bitcoin code in 2012, started working on DGB in 2013 to explore new ideas and concepts to make blockchain technology better. DigiByte uses a similar system as Bitcoin to keep track of transactions. This system is called a Utxo system, which stands for unspent transaction outputs, and is different from account-based blockchains such as Ethereum, Tron, Cosmos, and Neo, to name a few. DigiByte is a proof-of-work blockchain, which means it uses miners to validate transactions on the network. DigiByte is said to have the fastest block time of any of the UTXO coins, with a new block mined, now get this, every 15 seconds. To keep this block time stable, DigiByte has a real-time difficulty adjustment. This real-time difficulty adjustment is called Digishield and has been added to more than 24 other blockchains, including Ethereum, Zcash, and Dogecoin. While Segwit was being debated for years in the Bitcoin community and eventually led to a contentious hard fork of the BTC network, DigiByte dove headfirst into the new protocol, and it was the very first altcoin to incorporate Segwit into its code in 2017. Earlier in its evolution, DGB took the bold step of using not just one, not two, but 5 separate mining algorithms. The outcome of this move was to create one of, if not the most decentralized blockchains in existence. This is important because the more nodes in operation, the more secure a blockchain becomes. DigiByte can scale up to 1,066 transactions per second. This is 40 times faster than Bitcoin and 10 times faster than Litecoin. Segwit, which is a second-layer protocol, enables this blazing fast transaction speed by making things that would slow a non-Segwit chain down possible. Another characteristic which adds to the speed of the network is the rigidity of the max transaction size and variable block size. This means a block doesn't have to be full and can be mined at the 15-second block time. Do you think DigiByte blockchain can scale as they say it will, or will it slow down once mass adoption is reached? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. To keep the network fast, DigiByte uses multiple layers for specific functions. These are split into 3 layers like a DGB sandwich. The bottom layer of the network is where the nodes and the client software operate and communicate with each other. The middle layer is the public blockchain or ledger. This is the layer where the native DigiByte token lives, moving from one address to another. Without this token, the top layer, where the newest DigiByte innovations live, wouldn't be possible. Now, these are things such as smart contracts, dApps, and programmable custom tokens. Some other networks have similar functions, but none approach solving the problem of scalability, speed, and security quite like DigiByte. This top layer is called Digi Assets, and the very first 2 were created by Jared Tate himself, DigiTorch and DigiFlame. If it reminds you of the Olympic torch and the eternal flame, then the names did what they were supposed to do, because these Digi assets are to be passed from one developer to the next as they create more Digi assets for the network. In May 2018, DigiByte upped the ante on digital security with DigiID, which is a security platform eliminating the need of using username, password, multi-factor authentication for accessing your accounts. This relies on a public-private key cryptography to help reduce the risk associated with using passwords and having them stolen. So now you have a brain full of information about DigiByte. So how do you get it? First, click the link above to download a DigiByte wallet for your phone or computer. And if you need DigiByte, you can exchange for it directly inside your wallet. What does the future hold for DigiByte? Will it ever become a mainstream, mass-adopted coin? Tell us your DigiByte story in the comments below, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button on the way there.